Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who have never joined us before, my name's Dan, and today I'm bringing you a product review on something we've wanted to do ever since upgrading the trailer, and that's change our RV door handle out to one that we can open remotely, or you can enter a combination on the keypad to unlock and lock the door. The brand I'm talking about is the Onnais RV door lock. Now, if you're a gun enthusiast, you already know about Onnais' great reputation for making gun safes. Now, I just want to be transparent. I'm not in any way sponsored by Onnais, and I paid for this lock with my own money. So I'm going to give you my honest opinion about this product, how easy it is to install, how it works, and I'm going to go through all of this and we'll see if this product really survives the test of time. So don't go anywhere, we'll be right back. The RV lock we had on our last rig was a different brand, and I was never impressed with the way it was constructed. A lot of it was made of plastic. And I can tell you when I picked this thing up, it's much heavier and it feels a lot more solid. So I'm really excited to get this thing installed. And if you're wondering, this is everything that comes in the box. Some of the biggest reasons we wanted to change out our door lock is currently on our new trailer we have the manufacturer's lock on it. And as you may know, your neighbors right next door could have the same key. So the other reason is this. I have too many keys and I hate having a pocket full of keys. The first thing we're going to do is remove the old RV door lock. It's just similar to the new lock. It's just 4 screws that hold the front and the back of this lock together. And then we're going to move on to the strike plate. We'll take that off and it's just 2 more screws. Now we're going to remove the strike plate and the whole locking mechanism will come out. Okay, with the strike plate off, we can now pop out the face of the lock. Just push it a little from the other side and pull. It should pop right out. It's that easy. Now that we have everything off, we can install the Onnais lock in reverse order, starting with the new locking assembly and strike plate. Now all we have left to connect is the ribbon cable to the back half of the lock and screw in the 4 screws. Okay, that completes the installation. So let's test everything to make sure it all works correctly. Now we're going to set the code, but first we have to unscrew this door and install 4 AA batteries. To program the lock, it's very simple. First thing, enter the default code of 12345 check. On the back side, push the set button. Now put in your new code. I'm going to use 54321 check, and then enter it again, 54321 check. You'll hear the long beeps. And now the new code's programmed. To test the new code, push the Onnais button, the deadbolt engages, then we put in our code 54321 check one more time, and the door unlocks. To program the 2 key fobs, simply put in the code 54321 check. On the back side of the lock, push the set button 3 times and you'll hear a beep. Then you will hit the unlock button on this key fob you'll see the light light up, the green light, then on this key fob as well. Then after 30 seconds, it should be programmed.
A few moments later.
So now let's test those key fobs. We push lock and it locks, and with the other key fob, we hit it and it works as well. So you're all set, you're ready to go. So to wrap everything up, I just wanted to emphasize a few features I really like about the Onnais RV door lock. The first is how well this lock is made. It's very heavy duty, it's all metal, feels very secure and well built. The second thing is these key fobs. They're very heavy as well, feels like my key fob to my truck. It's just very well built. And finally, it gives us the added extra layer of security and no more fumbling around for keys, worrying about getting locked out of the camper. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button and come join our community by hitting that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next week.